Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your cookies eat in Cookie Run. Kingdom. We'll cover the basics of leveling up your favorite characters. Understanding this process is key to strengthening your team and progressing through the game's challenges. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look for the right resources. Let's dive right into the details. To get your cookies eating, navigate to the cookie menu from your main screen. Select the cookie you wish to power up, then simply tap the Level Up button. You'll then choose the star jellies you want to consume. Remember, focusing on your core team first will give you the biggest boost in battles and story progression. It's all about smart resource management. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on feeding your cookies helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Cookie Run Kingdom tips. On another note, after all that intense cookie management, your car might need a refresh. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. There are many ways to gather more star jellies for your hungry cookies. Make sure to complete your daily bounties and participate in the Kingdom Arena for consistent rewards. Don't forget to regularly collect from your cookie houses and the Fountain of Abundance in your kingdom. Also, always check for ongoing events. They often offer generous amounts of star jellies as rewards. Keep those cookies well fed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.